In this video, I'm going to introduce you to OpenChat. OpenChat is a new product which is primarily an innovative library of open source language models fine-tuned with CR left, and CR left is a strategy inspired by offline reinforcement learning. This model learns from mixed quality data without preference labels, delivering exceptional performance on par with ChatGPT, even with a 7 billion model which can be run on consumer GPU. And consumer GPU could be RTX 3090 or similar. The approach is very simple, and despite of the simple approach, these this LLM is committed to developing a high performance, commercially viable open source language model, and they are continuing to make significant stride toward that vision. Now, as I said, that it's an open source language model library, and you can very easily use the features like models fine-tuned using a conditioned reinforcement learning approach. And this approach enables learning from mixed quality data without any preference label, which is huge. If you look at their GitHub repo, and I'll drop the link in video's description, there are a lot of great things as um, they have shared their paper where they go in great more detail as how exactly they built it, and you can read through it. And then, as you can see here, it is going from SFT to RLFT and then offline reinforcement learning. And then you can read the more detail from this paper. Now, going back to the GitHub repo, if you scroll down, the installation is pretty simple. After the benchmarks, which you can read through, you can either simply use pip to install it, but normally it doesn't run. So the best way to do is through Conda. So you can install Conda, and then within Conda you can install OChat, because then it comes installed with lot of prerequisites. Because you would need Torch and few other things. You can also install it in Windows using WSL or in Ubuntu 2020 2.04. You can also deploy an API server where you can do the inference and interact with it. You can do it for single GPU with this command, or you can do it with multiple GPUs. Let me quickly show you a online demo of this. So if you go to this site, openchat.team, and you can access it through their GitHub repo. So if you scroll up, just click here on online demo and it will take you to that site. Similarly, you can access the paper which I just showed you. Going back to the demo, this is where at the middle you can select your model, which is currently OpenChat Aura, and then you can set your temperature and stuff. You can also specify your system prompt that you're an AI agent, which you can do this, or you can simply start chatting from the bottom. So let me try it out. The first prompt I'm going to use is what is the capital of Australia, and then just type here and you can see the response, how quick and how accurate that is. And then maybe I'll ask it to write a Python program to reverse a list, and let's see if it is able to handle the coding problem. And look at the speed of inference, it is amazing. Not only it has done it, it has just put in some description of what it is doing, which is really impressive. Let me ask it one more question: how to climb the K2 mountain in Pakistan? And there you go. It has given you the full plan with all the bells and whistles, what you need to do as a prerequisites, and then what you actually need to do, and then all of it, amazing stuff. And it goes on and on and on. You could actually follow this plan and climb the K2. That's done. And even you can regenerate it. So it looks just like ChatGPT. Let me ask it this question. So I'm asking it, in 1 year, yellow paint fades and becomes a white color in my house in one room. One wall is yellow and rest of walls are white. Should I paint that yellow wall as white now or wait for 1 year? And you can see that it is saying that if you want the yellow wall to eventually become white, it would be more cost effective to wait. But again, if you want to prefer a uniform appearance in the room, the faded yellow wall detracts, amazing stuff. So this is what I wanted. So it is giving you both option, analyzing them, and um, giving you the pros and cons of both options and then leaving the decision to you. This is what we expect from our large language model or some stuff. So very uh, cool, I would say. Very impressed by this tool, and I'll be making another local video on it as how to install it locally very soon, and I'll share the link in video's description too. Try it out and let me know your thoughts and comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.